Today, I am reviewing Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 Jet Focus Heater and Fan. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a home appliance that does more than just one job, the Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 Jet Focus Heater and Fan might just be the perfect solution. It's a sleek, bladeless design that blends modern style with intelligent heating and cooling, giving you comfort all year round. The first thing you'll notice about the Dyson Hot+Cool is its elegant design. Unlike traditional bulky heaters or noisy fans, this model is slim, bladeless, and modern, making it a perfect addition to any bedroom, living room, or home office. It's built to look as good as it works. One of Dyson's signature features is their Air Multiplier technology, and the AM09 delivers it in spades. This technology amplifies surrounding air, creating a powerful, uninterrupted stream of smooth airflow. That means whether you want to warm up or cool down, the airflow is consistent and efficient, without the buffeting or noise of conventional fans. When it comes to heating, the Dyson AM09 is fast and precise. It uses ceramic plates that heat up quickly, so you get warmth right when you need it. The temperature range is from 32 to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you control for personal comfort or full room heating. Dyson calls this jet focus control. This feature allows you to choose between a focused stream of warm air for personal comfort or a diffused mode to spread heat evenly throughout the room. Switching to cooling mode is just as impressive. In hot weather, the Dyson Hot+Cool transforms into a powerful fan that delivers amplified airflow for quick cooling. Whether you need a focused breeze at your desk or diffused air for an entire room, the AM09 gives you flexibility. Another smart feature is the sleep timer. You can program the heater/fan to turn off after intervals ranging from 15 minutes up to 9 hours. This is especially handy if you want comfort at night without running it all night, saving energy while ensuring a good night's sleep. Control is simple and convenient. The Dyson AM09 comes with a curved, magnetized remote control that stores neatly on the unit itself. The remote allows you to control airflow strength, temperature, oscillation, and timer without having to get up, perfect for late-night comfort. Speaking of oscillation, this model has smooth movement with a 70-degree oscillating range, which directs airflow across the room evenly. That means no cold or hot spots, just consistent comfort wherever you are. Safety is another strong point for Dyson. The AM09 is bladeless, which makes it safer for homes with children or pets. It also stays cool to the touch, so there's no risk of burns like with conventional heaters. In terms of noise, Dyson products are known for their quiet operation, and the Hot+Cool AM09 lives up to that reputation. Even when operating at higher power, it produces less noise than many standard heaters or fans. That makes it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces where peace and quiet are important. With a power rating of 2,000 watts, the Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 offers powerful performance without compromising on efficiency. Its compact size, just over 23 inches tall and under 6 inches wide, makes it easy to place anywhere without dominating the room. It's also worth mentioning the customer feedback. The AM09 has a 4.4 out of 5-star rating with thousands of satisfied customers, and it's one of the top-rated indoor electric heaters on Amazon. That's a strong testament to Dyson's innovation, quality, and reliability. In conclusion, the Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 Jet Focus Heater and Fan is more than just a heating or cooling appliance. It's a versatile, stylish, and highly efficient climate control device that can improve comfort in any season. Whether you want to stay warm during the winter or cool during the summer, the Dyson AM09 delivers exceptional performance with quiet operation, intelligent design, and safety features that make it worth every penny. If you value comfort, design, and innovative technology, this is one home appliance you won't regret investing in.